Well, you paid some dues, but you're still trying to find your way. And you played some gigs, but you're looking for a better day. Now you're on your own with an old suit and a beat-up horn, and you make some calls, and you find a club that will put you on. So you play your set, and as you're packing up your case, taste the sweat rolling down your face like 1,000 cats before your eternal family. Trying to make ends meet, playing jazz night and day, life is bittersweet. But once you've had a taste, it's the only way, angels in the wings. When you step on stage, it's like deja vu, somewhere Sarah sings to pick you up when you're feeling blue. Just remember Dennis and Bird and Lady Day, Coltrane and Miles and old JJ. And if you play jazz, that's your eternal family. What would Ella do when confronted with the task at hand? What would JJ do? Or Jocko or Slide, would they understand? What would Armstrong say? Or Lester Young or Jelly Roll, what would Ornette play? Or Horace or Frank Rossolino, what would Ella do? What would JJ do? What would Armstrong say? What would Ornette play? Thank you.